Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 9, Lesson 56. We've been matching verbs to their subjects. Now for a tricky group of subjects, indefinite pronouns. Words like everyone, both, and some. Some are always singular, some are always plural, and a few can be either. Let's learn to hear which verb each one needs. First, what is an indefinite pronoun? It's a pronoun that points to no one in particular. Words like everyone, each, both, some, and many. They're vague on purpose. And here's the whole point of this lesson. When an indefinite pronoun is the subject of a sentence, the verb still has to agree with it in number. So you need to know, for each one, is it singular or is it plural? That's the question. Let's sort them. There are 3 groups to memorize. The first group is always singular. Each, either, neither, one, everyone, anyone, someone, nobody, nothing, everybody. Notice that one, buddy, and thing words feel like many people, but grammatically they're singular. The second group is always plural. Both, few, many, several. And the third group depends. Some, all, any, most, none. These can swing either way, and we'll see how. Singular, plural, depends. Now the trap. The singular group is surprising because some of these words feel plural. Take everyone. Everyone is here today. It sounds like a whole crowd of people, so your ear wants are. But everyone is grammatically one word, a single group, so it takes the singular verb. Everyone is, not everyone are. Same with each, everybody, somebody, and no one. They all sound like many, but each one takes a singular verb. So how does the depends group work? For some, all, any, most, and none, look at the noun in the of phrase right after it. Watch. Some of the cake is gone. Cake is one thing, singular, so some is singular, is gone. But change one letter. Some of the cakes are gone. Now cakes is plural, so some is plural, are gone. Same word, some, but the noun after of decides. That little of phrase is your clue. Here's your quick check. When you see an indefinite pronoun as the subject, ask which group it's in. One, body, or thing words, those are singular, take a singular verb. Both, few, many, several, those are plural, take a plural verb. And some, all, any, most, none. For those, look at the noun after of and let it decide. 3 groups, 1 quick question. Let's try a few. In this first set, choose the verb that agrees with the indefinite pronoun. These are the always singular and always plural ones, so just place the pronoun in its group. Pause and try each one before I answer. Everybody blank a copy of the schedule. Everybody is one of those words that sounds like a crowd, but it's always singular. So it takes the singular verb, wants. So the answer is wants. Both of these routes blank to the lake. Both is in the always plural group. The phrase of these routes doesn't change it. So we need the plural verb, lead. So the answer is lead. Each of the players blank a number. Each is always singular, even when of the players follows it. Don't let players fool you. The subject is each. So it takes the singular verb, wears. So the answer is wears. Now the depends group. Some, all, any, most, none. For each one, find the noun after of and let it decide singular or plural. Pause and try each one. Most of the cake, blank, already gone. Most is in the depends group, so check the noun after of. That noun is cake, which is singular. So most is singular here, and we use is. So the answer is. Some of the students blank early. Some is in the depends group, so look at the noun after of. That's students, which is plural. So some is plural here, and we use the plural verb, arrive. So the answer is arrive. None of the milk, blank, left in the carton. None is in the depends group, so check the noun after of. That noun is milk, which is singular. So none is singular here, and we use is. So the answer is. Let's wrap up. When an indefinite pronoun is the subject, make the verb agree with it. The big group of one, buddy, and thing words is always singular, even though they sound like a crowd. Everyone is, each has, somebody wants. Both, few, many, and several are always plural. And some, all, any, most, and none can be either. So look at the noun in the of phrase and let it decide. 3 groups, and your ear will start to catch them. Great work.